Hello sir, welcome to Tech Magnifier. So there are a few questions I would like to ask. That you have partnered with Micromax here, so with the three brands. So what's your reaction first of all?
It's a very consumer-centric approach, and we thought instead of just powering up hardware and bringing out devices, talking about the megapixels or the cores of the processor, we would take the technology prowess and the experience of three key elements of the industry: an operator, a technology provider, and a device player, and then look at how we could bring out the best of every three components to an exceptional experience for the end consumer. So you have a great technology coming in from MediaTek, ranging from their dual cores to the octa cores to the 3G side, impending launches of the 4G handsets. We have a superlative connectivity by Aircel, where they're present on the 3G circles, it's a 3G connectivity. Where they're present on the 2G circle, it's a 2G connectivity. And obviously a device range of Micromax. Put together, we've just bundled the excellence of the three brands and providing an end consumer a different experience. So they get these connectivities or these data packs free of cost. They don't have to pay money for that, and they can enjoy a data connectivity. Once they're satisfied with the experience, obviously over subsequent months they will need to pay for it. But it's nothing that is getting charged to them upfront. I think that's what is the strength of this partnership.
So when can we see the smartphones in the market?
We should be getting the new range in the next coming month itself, the April 2014. But the offer or this partnership is available on the entire range of Micromax, which is.
So may I know those offerings? May I know those offerings with various devices?
Yeah. So there are a couple of data packs which are available for a period of 3 months, and then as you move on to the 4th month onwards, you get the data benefits which are double. So if you're ending up paying for a GB of data, you'll get 2 GB. If you're putting up for a 5 GB data, you get 10 GB of that.
Okay. And recently, Carbon is in partnership with MediaTek. So what do you have to say about it?
It's an industry. Obviously, there are technology partners. So MediaTek remains a very strong partner to Micromax. I guess if they have to partner with the other brands as well, that's something which works in the favor of the end consumer. And we've always loved the very fact that at Micromax, we create no boundaries for consumers. So I think more and more brands can come in, can grow the industry together. We welcome Carbon to also grow the industry along with us.
Okay, so what's next? What will be your next initiative?
So we are looking at how to acquire the next set of our consumers. I would really not say we are looking at an X percentage of market share, because X percentage of market share is a very frugal statement, because when you talk about a certain market share for yourself, you're kind of also underplaying the fact that at the speed at which the industry will grow and the speed at which your peers in the industry will grow. So when you talk about an X percentage of market share, you're discounting the speed at which your partners or your peers in the industry will grow. So if a brand X would say, I want a 15% market share or a 25% market share, it's really quite an open statement.
Yeah. And last but not least, any message for Micromax users?
Keep enjoying the Micromax handsets and the Micromax devices which are there in your hand, and I can just assure one thing, that we at Micromax are working at bringing the next set of innovation.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
For latest news and reviews of gadget and games, visit www.techmagnifier.com.